Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine and staying safe in these lockdown days. So it was a lovely cloudy morning. Thought of preparing wheat Ravva Upma for breakfast. So let's get started. I have added 2 spoons of ghee to a kadai and added about fistful of cashews, 1 spoon of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add few split red chilies to it and fry them until aromatic. Add little curry leaves to it and fry until they are crisp. Add finely chopped ginger, which is about 1 inch, and fry until it is golden color. Add about 1 sliced onion and 4 chopped green chilies and fry until onions turn to translucent. Add enough salt to taste. Adding finely chopped 1 potato and 1 carrot pieces. At this stage you may add any of your desired vegetables such as green peas, broccoli or mushrooms, paneer, whatever you may like. Add about 3 glasses of water. This is about 1 glass of broken wheat. This is fine texture of the broken wheat. You will get fine and a little bit bigger size. I am taking here fine broken wheat. Once the water come to a boiling point and the vegetables are well cooked, check the salt, and now it's time to add wheat rava. Mix the rava as shown. Stir at the bottom and with your left hand slowly drop the rava. Otherwise, if you are not following these steps, your rava will not mix properly with the water and it will solidify. Cover and cook on a very low flame for about 10 minutes. Do check after every 3 minutes and mix the rava as shown. Otherwise, it may catch up the bottom of the vessel. Cover and cook again on a very low flame. Check twice in between every 3 to 4 minutes. You can see the rava is very well done and it has absorbed all the water and it has become fluffier. Cover and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Serve hot. You may have it as such or you can have it with any of the desired chutneys as a condiments. Please do try this and let me know in my comment section below. It is one of the healthiest breakfast for weight loss and for kids too, because It has been made with a broken wheat. It is very good for diabetic patients too. So give it a try. For afternoon lunch, I have chopped 1 onion and 10 to 12 green chilies and fried them along with 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. To make brinjal curry, we call it as gutti vankaya in Telugu and barwa bangan in Hindi. It is one of the Andhra delicacy. Add the fried masala to a mixer jar. Along with that, add 1 spoon of red chili powder and a 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and grind it to a fine paste. Soak the brinjals in salt water for about 15 minutes and then wash twice with filter water and then chop as shown into 4 equal parts. This brinjal is not good, so keeping it aside. Once all the brinjals has been chopped as shown, now it's time to fill the brinjal with the masala what we have priorly prepared. So I can name the dish as masala stuffed brinjals. Does this sound good? Please let me know in my comment section below. And please do try this recipe. It tastes very yummy and delicious. If you like Indian curries, the 2 veg curries, it is a definitely must try dish. Once the brinjals are filled with the masala, so the rest of the masala we'll use in the gravy. Add a tablespoon of oil in the same wok in which we have fried the onions masala. So once it is heated, add the brinjals, stuffed brinjals, and fry them for about 2 minutes on a low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn over the brinjals very gently. You may see the color changing. That means it has been fried on one side. So you have to fry it on other side too. Be very gentle with them. Now add the whole masala which is left over. Add about a half glass of water to the masala jar and rinse the masala and pour it in the wok. Cover and cook on a very low flame for about 10 minutes. For every 3 minutes, please do check, otherwise the gravy may catch up the bottom of the vessel. Now the curry is almost done. You can see oil floating over the gravy. That means the brinjals have well cooked and the gravy has reduced. So serve hot with hot rice or chapati, roti, naan, whichever dish you may like, or even with jeera rice or a veg pulao. So finally check the salt and enjoy the dish. We had a lovely lunch today. So thought of making Mealmaker 65 for evening snacks. So for that I have boiled 1 cup of Mealmaker in a hot water for about 10 minutes. Squeeze excess water and keep it in a dish. Add about 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste to it. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Enough salt to taste. 1 spoon of red chili powder. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix all the ingredients very well. Mix by squeezing the Mealmaker. So the water content which is inside the Mealmaker balls will help it to catch up these masalas and make it more tastier. Heat enough groundnut oil in a kadai and drop the Mealmaker as shown and fry until they are golden brown in color. Add few slit green chilies and few curry leaves to it and fry along with them. Add the green chilies and curry leaves when the Mealmakers are halfway done. So we can take all of them at a time when they are done together. Now the meal maker is done, and take them on a tissue paper and serve hot. This is one of the healthiest snack, and kids will love this dish on a rainy day. Repeat the process until you finish the meal maker. Please do try this recipe and let me know in my comment section below. And today I have shared all the vegetarian dishes. I hope you will love it. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.